Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the right formula. Choose a micronized mineral or a chemical sunscreen, or better yet, a tinted mineral for immediate coverage. Once chosen, warm the tube between your hands for 10-20 seconds to thin the texture and shake well if it's an emulsion. Make sure to patch test on your jawline to check color and finish. Doing these steps first reduces excess whiteness and makes the product easier to spread evenly from the very first application. You'll apply sunscreen in thin, controlled layers so it absorbs instead of sitting on the surface. Start with about 1/3 of your intended amount, spread it thoroughly, and then add more where needed. This prevents clumping that causes a white film. Make sure you warm and emulsify the product on your fingertips or a damp sponge. That increases spreadability. Once done with each pass, pause for 30 to 60 seconds to let the formula bind to skin. To finish, set the sunscreen lightly with a translucent or tinted powder or a hydrating mist, which helps meld layers and reduce visible white cast. If you still see whiteness, switch to a tinted mineral or a chemical SPF. These leave less residue. Make sure to blot patchy areas gently and reapply a thin layer rather than rubbing aggressively, because friction creates streaks. One troubleshooting tip: if white cast appears after makeup, remove the layer and reapply a thin, well-emulsified sunscreen for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.